Hello friends, thanks for joining me for the Easter Spring Collab 2021, which is hosted by Patti with Life with Patti and also Cathy of Cathy's Favorite Things. There are about 14 collaborators. I will have them all listed in my description box. Please be sure to go check out their spring collab projects as well. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I love camping, and I actually have a camper. And I also have several like little camper birdhouses, but they were already done when, well, actually they were given to me as gifts, which was so nice. Well, I saw this wooden one on clearance at the end of the summer last year, I believe, so I picked it up, and I've been hanging on to it for just the right moment to create something with it. And then when this spring collab came along, I thought, oh my goodness, perfect. I've been dying to make this camper, and this inspires me to do it with a springtime flair to it. So that's what I am working on today, is transforming this wooden camper birdhouse into a springtime themed camper birdhouse. As you can see, I am working with a paper napkin that has a wonderful floral print. This napkin has 3 layers total, so you can see that I used a little piece of tape on each side of it just to pull the extra layers off. I'm going to go ahead and do a tiny bit of sanding just to remove any rough edges. The next thing I'm doing is I'm trying to see if I can slide the napkin under the tire, and I could when it was dry, but once I got my Mod Podge on it, I could not do it. So I end up just removing that part of the napkin. Now I'm just continuing to add Mod Podge onto the little camper and then pressing the napkin down into place. I did the front and the back with the floral napkin, and then I went over the top with, trying to think of the name of the pattern. It's kind of like a lattice pattern, but I'm not sure exactly what it's called. Anyway, you could see it there. It's already done. I didn't want to film the whole thing because that would make for a very long video. Next, I'm going to go over the wood pieces with a sparkly pink. It's called, actually it's glitter, and it's glitter paint, and it's called Jelly Bean, believe it or not. So I thought that was kind of fun. I'm also going to use the pink paint over the top, front, and back of the camper, but not the sides. The side is what you're looking at now. I'm not going to put any paint there, but just on where the little bird would sit on the tires, and then over the lattice part of it. Once I'm done with that, and I ended up doing like 3 coats of this glitter pink paint because it's not super thick. And then once I was done with that, I painted the very bottom a metallic gray, kind of like a nickel, and then I decided I would cover the top with flowers, and I'm going to get ready to show that to you right now. As you can see, I snuggled a little bird into the flowers. I've got flowers going over the entire top from front to the back. They are a mixture of faux silk flowers. There are some small pink paper flowers and leaves, and then I have also some fabric flowers as well. You can see also that I put some lace around the edges, both on the front and the back, which gives it even a little bit more of a feminine feeling. I absolutely love this camper. I think it turned out just so adorable, and I hope you like it too. I'm going to have some still shots coming up in just a second so you can kind of see it maybe a little more up close. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed the project that I made for the Spring Easter Collaboration 2021. Thanks for watching. See you soon.